Just bought this generating set. Maybe it was reconditioned at some point. There's a date on the generator. It's 1945. Somewhere also I saw 1966. It's a J.A.P model 546 Commando. A nice piece of history. Yes, here's the date. I don't know what date it is. There was another one. I have photos of it. It was in far better condition. The air filter, the carburetor was still wrapped. That engine was reconditioned. The other one still had the handle, and this one is missing. There's the toolbox, but it's empty. The exhaust pipe. There's two covers. There's the exhaust. These are the timber for the lifting. I wanted guys to share this with you. It's still out there. Some news. There's some new stationary engines still out there. Hope you like this find as much as I do.